Hi, welcome back. This is database management system playlist. Specifically, normalization topic we are discussing. This video is going to be on fifth normal form. So, for a table, what are the conditions to be satisfied to be called as it follows fifth normal form? So, this is going to be discussed in this video. So, fifth normal form, join dependency. So, what are the rules to be followed by the table? For that, it has to be called as it follows fifth normal form is the first thing it should follow fourth normal form. So which means it should follow all the previous normal forms, first normal form, second normal form, Boyce-Codd normal form, fourth normal form, everything. Then second point, it should not have looseless decomposition into smaller tables. So what do you mean by a looseless decomposition? So first let us see what is decomposition. Decomposition is nothing but dividing a bigger table into smaller tables, multiple smaller tables. So what is looseless decomposition then? Even after dividing, if we were able to combine all those divided tables using join query and get back the old data, then that is called lossless decomposition. So join dependency arises due to loosey decomposition of tables. So for example, let us take this table. We have three columns: subject, teacher, and experience. We were trying to split the table into two, with subject and teacher column on the first table and teacher and experience column on the second table. Now, when we try to combine these two tables using join query, we will get back the old data, that is this table. This is lossless decomposition. So the same explanation is given here. When a decomposed data can be reconstructed using join queries, then that form of decomposition is lossless decomposition since no data is lost, which means a careless decomposition of tables can be lead to loss of data. Yes, it is definitely possible. We have an example for that too. We have a slightly different kind of table, three columns: subject, teacher, and a section. So points to note in this table is teacher AAA handles English for A1 section and science for A2 section. So two different sections with two different subjects. Now when we try to split this table into two, first table will be subject and teacher, second table will be teacher and section. While splitting these tables, somewhere we have lost a data. I will explain. So in the first table, teacher AAA handles English and AAA handles science. On the second table, teacher AAA goes for section A1 and AAA goes for section A2. But somewhere while splitting the table, we have lost an important data. Teacher AAA handles English, but for which section is lost? Similarly, teacher AAA handles science, but for which section the data is lost. So this is actually loosey decomposition. So after decomposing this single table into multiple two tables, when we try to combine these two tables using join query, since the data that is AAA handles English for which section that data is lost and AAA handles science for which section that data is lost, join query automatically creates all combination of data, so that teacher AAA handles English for A1, science for A1. Similarly, he handles science for A2, English for A2. So it makes the data like the teacher handles both the sections, both the subjects, but that is not actually the case. We must have got this data while combining the decomposed tables, but instead of that we got this data. So this is loosey decomposition. Either we lose some data or unwanted data is added. So this is loosey decomposition. So now coming back to fifth normal form. What is fifth normal form? The table should be in fourth normal form. Then there should not be any looseless decomposition possible. Now let us take the same table and we will try to bring this table to follow fifth normal form. So what actually we did initially, we have split it into two tables: subject and teacher, teacher and section. So we have data of teacher handling subject and teacher going to section. But a teacher handling specific subject to specific section, the data is previously lost. To compensate that, we need to add an extra relation, that is, we have subject and teacher relation, teacher and section relation. We need to add one more relation, subject and section relation. So now, after getting these three tables, we have saved this data, that section and subject data. Now when we try to combine all these three tables using join queries, we will get back the original data. So now from this point, there is a possibility to decompose table in such a way that when we try to combine all this table, we will get back the original data. So we have did that. Now the table is in fifth normal form. When we try to further split or decompose this any one of the table or all these tables, we will not be able to get back the original data when the table is combined using join query. So this is the last point of splitting. Furthermore, splitting will become meaningless. So now the table is in fifth normal form. No further lossless decomposition is possible. This is fifth normal form explanation. Hope this video is informative. In case you have any queries, you can leave comment below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting this.